Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel. I hope you are well. So guys, in this video today I am going to show you that how you can enable floating dot in your iPhones. As you can see guys, right now I am using only iPhone 6. But guys, if you can notice, then you can see here is showing like floating dot. So I will show you that whatever I want to show you. For example guys, if I want to select any application, for example guys, I want to choose this application like photos application into this floating dot, then I have to just select this application and I will drag to into this line. So you can see guys, it will automatically select it in this line. So I will show you guys how you can look like, make your iPhone look like iPad. So firstly guys, I will open this application and it is 100% working. You can see guys, and the size of all application is very small and minimum. So this is very amazing guys. I hope you will like this video, and all application will be working. So for example guys, I will open this like app store application, so it will 100% working, and you can see guys, all application will be working. It is very easy to use guys and also smooth. So for example guys, I will open this application, all application will be working. So guys, today I will show you that how you can do these amazing features in your iPhone, any iPhone guys. If you have iPhone 5s, 6 plus, any model device, you can do this easily, and you can convert your iPhone into this like floating dot look like iPad device. So I hope guys you will like this video. So let's start without any further delay. So firstly guys, I will show you, this is only iPhone 6. I will click on this settings and click on journal. So you can see guys, the about section, model name is iPhone 6, software version is 12.5.5. but guys, software version doesn't matter, you have any iPhone, you can do this easily. Okay, so I will click on back, and now I will go back. So first of all guys, in order to like enable this floating dot in your iPhone, make sure guys please subscribe this channel, because guys on this channel you will get all iPhone related videos and also guys updating videos. So guys, please do subscribe, it's absolutely free. And also guys, if you have any problem, then guys you can ask me in the comment box, I will definitely reply you. And if you need any video, then guys simply you have to comment down, I will make a separate video if you like facing any problem in your iPhone. So let's start on your main topic. So first of all guys, in order to enable these floating dot in your iPhones, you have to just go to your CD application. Now guys, if you don't know that how we can install CD application, then guys I have given a link in my description. Go and watch that video, that how we can jailbreak your iPhone and how we can install Cydia. So guys, first method is without computer and second method is with computer. All videos links in the description guys. Go and watch that video and jailbreak your iPhone, and then guys you will automatically install Cydia in your iPhone. So after installing this Cydia, link in the description guys, watch that video, okay, in the description box. So guys, now you have to open the CD application. So guys, this is the interface of CD application. Click on this search bar, click on this, and now you have to search floating dot. Yes guys, in the CD application guys, link in the description. Okay, so you have to guys simply floating dot, click on this, and it will show like reloading data, and it is very smooth and guys easy. So now you have to click on ignore and click on this modify button, click on install. I have already installed, that's why here is showing reinstall. You have to simply install this, and then guys go back, and after installing this guys, simply you have go back and guys go to the settings application, scroll down and find this floating dot features like tweak. You have to click on this, you can see floating dot, and you have to enable this. You can see, make sure you have to enable, and dock in feature you have to also enable this. So this is the way. And now guys, after this enable, you have to click on spring button. So after the spring guys, it will automatically enable to your iPhone. Just hold on, I will show you. You can see guys, so this is the way guys you can enable this floating dot in your iPhone, and you can use this feature. For example guys, if you want to put any application in this floating dot, then guys you can easily get this. Firstly guys, I have to remove this application. So link in the description guys, watch that video, that how we can install Cydia and how we can jailbreak iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video guys.